Hello, we're here to show you the new feature in our ZenTest app. When you go to save a reading, you'll see a new tab called Assets. Here's where you'll see all the sample assets we provided you. To add a new asset, go to your settings and click on Asset Management. At the top right, click New. Here's where you can add any sample name, along with a picture of your sample. When you're finished, simply hit Save. Now when you go to save your sample, hit Asset and select the one you just created. You can also do this with your autosave timer. Just hit Save, then an asset, When you go into your Data tab, you can also click Asset at the bottom to show all the data from each asset. If you need to delete an asset, just swipe left to delete it. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy the new ZenTest feature.